Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the right or left mail swipe action on the Gmail mobile app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the hamburger icon up at the top left, and then you want to go down and select the settings button. Select General Settings, and then go where it says swipe actions, configure swipe actions to quickly act on emails in the conversation list. And then you can change the options for both the right and left swipe action by selecting change, and you can change what the action will perform if you do that right or left swipe. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.